Hey, welcome to the Desi Licious Den Dietitian on Demand. I show busy health seekers with science-backed strategies how simple it can be to eat for health, nourish mindfully and thrive while enjoying ethnic cuisine. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make my favorite Baingan Bharta, roasted eggplant infused with aromatic South Asian spices and cooked in a thick tomato pepper sauce. It's so easy to pull off and tastes absolutely scrumptious. Start by preheating your oven at 420 degrees Fahrenheit, and then with a sharp knife you want to poke your eggplants all around. Roast your eggplants for around 45 minutes to ensure that they are fully cooked through. Now you want to start prepping your vegetables, which I think really is the key to make the whole cooking process easier. So start by washing thoroughly all your vegetables, drying them and then chopping them. So your onions, your garlic, your tomatoes, your pepper, your chili, as well as your cilantro. So when you're ready to cook in a medium pot, start by heating your olive oil. Add your cinnamon stick and mustard seeds. So you want to wait until your mustard seeds start crackling before you go in with the crushed garlic and the onion. Give it a good stir and wait until they are nice and golden. Now we're adding those lovely bell peppers, followed by the curry powder and the cumin. Cook those until they're nice and soft. Now we're going in with those fresh chopped tomatoes. Make sure you cook on high, but remember to stir continuously to prevent burning. Round about now, your roasted eggplant should be done. Make sure they're nice and cool before you start peeling off the skin. Mash your eggplant. Add it to that delicious rich tomato pepper sauce and simmer on low to medium heat with the lid on. Here, if you fancy a spicy kick, go on, add those couple of chilies, and then we're going to finish with some salt, some fresh lemon juice, cilantro, and of course garam masala to give it all that delicious flavor. Now I like to serve mine stuffed in romaine lettuce leaves and then topping with all sorts of delicious things such as avocado, olives. You can add chickpeas for some added protein, and even enjoy as is with roti or rice or your favorite other vegetables. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up or leave me a comment. I'd love to know what diet and nutrition related topics you want me to dive into next. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.